Good day, viewers of my channel. Today's news remind us that in Nigeria, titles change faster than headlines. A federal high court in Abuja has remanded a former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, in Kuje Correctional Centre, while the court considers his bail application. This is not a movie. It is not a movie. It is not a rehearsal. It is simply the law doing what the law sometimes does, slowly and loudly at the same time. That is it. It is not a movie like I'm telling you. So what happened was that Mr. Malami appeared in court over money laundering charges filed by the EFCC. And when asked to respond, he pleaded not guilty. The judge listened carefully and then ruled that until the bail application is heard, Mr. Malami should be remanded in Kuje prison. For many Nigerians, the surprise was not the court order. Yes, I know. The court order, it's usual. The surprise was the name attached to it. The name is the surprise. As an Igbo proverb says, mgbe eze dara ka ejima na eze wu mmadụ. Eze da ewe mara onye akwụkwọ mmadụ ọbụrụ mmụọ. When a king falls, we remember that he is human. Why Nigerians are talking? This case has drawn attention because Mr. Malami once stood at the very top of Nigeria's legal system. He once supervised prosecutions, even the EFCC and the rest of them. He once advised government on the law. I think it was Attorney General of the Federation or Minister of Justice, something like that. Today, the law is carefully advising him. Before, he was the one advising the law. Now, the law is advising him to wait for his bail hearing. This is a reminder that in Nigeria, power can be temporary, but court dates are very patient. Another Igbo proverb fits well here. Onye nwere ike taa nwere ike echi ike agwụ. Today's strength may not be able to carry you to tomorrow some of the times. And here is what comes next. The court will hear the bail application by Malami. If bail is granted, Mr. Malami will leave custody and continue the case from outside. If bail is delayed, he will remain in Kuje prison, where many Nigerians already know that time moves differently. Either way, the real test begins now. And the EFCC must present clear and convincing evidence. Because remand makes news, but evidence makes history. I hope the EFCC is gathering their evidences or has gathered. Should I help them? I don't know. EFCC, should I help you? But here is the bigger picture. This case has quietly reminded Nigerians of something important. The law does not speak every day, but when it does, it often chooses unexpected moments. As Igbo people do say, a court case does not run, but eventually reaches its destination. This video, I wanted it to be a short video, and I want you to go home with this one. This story is still unfolding. Today, it's not about celebration. Today, it's not about condemnation. It is about watching closely and asking one simple question. Will this case move forward or will it join the long list? There's a long list of cases Nigerians remember only by headlines. There are many cases like this. The big wigs of the societies are being arraigned in court, and before you know it, some said if you join APC, your sins are forgiven. Apart from even the ones that do not join APC, some of the times you don't hear about the cases again. We don't know whether they settled, I don't know. A lot of these cases like this. So I ask again, will this case move forward or will it join the long list of cases Nigerians remember only by headlines? Anyway, while we wait, this is IGBO AREA TV. We will keep watching patiently.